Welcome to our channel. Are you facing issues with IPTV Smarters Pro? Before we dive in, check out the unbeatable IPTV provider 2TV store. Contact Nancy through the description link. Now, let's understand why your IPTV Smarters Pro might not be working. A primary reason could be unstable internet connectivity leading to disruptions in your streaming experience. Sometimes, the problem lies within the app itself. It may be outdated, or the cache might need clearing to function smoothly. Here's how you can tackle these common issues effectively. If these steps don't work, consider checking with your IPTV provider for possible subscription issues. Providers like 2TV Store offer robust solutions. Remember to contact Nancy for support. For more in-depth problems, exploring device compatibility settings or apps running interference could provide solutions. Stay patient and explore all settings before reaching out for help. Ensure you take detailed steps to troubleshoot and reach back to subscribing platforms like 2TV Store. For more tech tips, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell for updates.